Ye jolly bloomin' lads at work among the grun, come listen to my story if you want to hear some fun. I'm not so young as I used to be, some say I've had my fling, but I feel just like a 5-year-old when I begin to sing. Oh, lot-a-doodle-I-do, doodle-doodle-day. I'll tie your horse, I'll sort your note, I'll big her up a stray, for I'm as happy as a lark frae dawn to dark, singing all the day. Oh, lot-a-doodle-I-do, doodle-doodle-day. Now at Elgin market, now listen what I say. A man is speared if I could ca a pair of 10 hours day. Or can ye fall muck wi' a man, he fairly got me gape. Says I'm a money for I come fae, we fall muck wi' a grip. Oh, lot-a-doodle-I-do, doodle-doodle-day. I'll ca your horse, I'll sort your note, I'll big her up a stray, for I'm as happy as a lark frae dawn to dark, singing all the day. Oh, lot-a-doodle-I-do, doodle-doodle-day. This is a farm I started working for the Ferguson family on. Now work for 3 generations of them, spanning 30 years. Earlier in my farming life, I worked at Clydesdale Horse with various jobs in the farm, and of course the Bothy's was a kind of dying out by that time. So I suppose that's why I got interested in Bothy Ballads again, because it was about the farming life and about what went on in farming at that particular time. Now, about 4 years ago, I took an interest in this Bothy Ballad competitions, which is based, the winners of each 6 festivals in Scotland go to Elgin to compete for the champion of champions. And I've been fortunate enough to win it for the last 2 years. This is nae a song of love, none yet a song of money. It's nothing very pitiful, it's nothing very funny. But there's Highland Scotch and Lowland Scotch, there's butter, Scotch and honey. There's none of them for all, there's a mixture of the 3. And there's nae a word of beef broth, sow and sorry bonnocks, none of pancakes, pace eggs, for them with dainty stomachs. But it's about a meal and ale, it hadn't that Balmonics at McGinty's Mill and Ale for a pig on the spree. They were howling in the kitchen like a caravan of tinkies, aye, and some were playing ping pong and others diddly winkies. Oh, up a how and down a how, you never saw such jinkies at McGinty's Mill and Ale for a pig on the spree.